Docker missing on Ubuntu? Start by proving Docker is missing, then prepare Ubuntu the official way. Remove old distro packages if they exist, update apt, install curl and certificates, create the keyring directory, and download Docker's official GPG key. This step prevents mixed package conflicts and keeps future updates coming from Docker's repository. Now add the Docker apt source and install the full engine package set. You want Docker Engine, the CLI, Containered, Buildx, and the Compose plugin. After apt finishes, check docker -- version. If that command responds, the binary path is correct and the engine packages are installed. A Docker install is not done until the daemon works. Check systemctl first, then run the hello world container with sudo. The image pull and the hello message prove that the daemon can download, create, run, and exit a real container. Here is the error most people hit next: permission denied while connecting to the Docker daemon socket. The fix is to add your user to the Docker group, start a new group session, and run hello world again without sudo. Do not skip the newgrp or logout step, because the group change is not active in your old shell. Final proof: test Docker Compose. Create a tiny compose file with nginx, start it in detached mode, confirm the container is running, then curl localhost port 8080. When compose works and cleanup succeeds, your Ubuntu Docker setup is ready for real development.